Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to delete a channel in WhatsApp. Now let's begin. Do note that I have already installed WhatsApp in my mobile device. In case you have not, do install it right now and log into your account. Well, these are the chats. In my previous video, I had created a channel and right now I want to delete it. So let's begin. Right here at the bottom, there are many options like chats, updates, communities and everything. Simply click on updates and you'll see something like this. Right here is the channel that I previously created named Greg. I'm simply gonna click on it and something like this will open up. Do note that you can share channel link, add description and share the channel to your status. Now let's simply look at how to delete this channel. At the top right here are the three dots. Simply click on it and something like this will open up. While you can share it from here, you can look at the channel settings, but right now let's simply click on channel info. From here you can look at the channel info, you can add descriptions from here, you can forward it, you can share it as well. Simply scroll down till you find something like delete channel. Here's the option right here that says delete channel. Simply click on it. Now it's gonna ask for your confirmation. Simply click on delete if you want to delete your channel. And now to delete our channel, it's asking us to confirm our country code and enter our phone number. Let's enter it right now. As you can see, I've entered my mobile number. Now I'm simply gonna click on delete. Well guys, that's it. That's how you delete a channel in WhatsApp. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.